guys, this is Umo and welcome back to Kadirecipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make jollof rice with beef. I love to serve this dish like for parties or when I want to impress some guests. So for this recipe, you will need half kilogram of rice. You can use your favorite type of rice, and half kilo of beef. I'm also going to add some vegetable. You can choose your favorite vegetable. I decided to add some cabbage, carrot, and potatoes. You also need 1 cup of green onion chopped, half cup of parsley, and some mint leaf. You also need 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, black pepper, thyme leaves, 4 bay leaves, 1 bouillon cube, 2 onions, and 1 head of garlic, half bell pepper. You will also need 250 ml of oil, 3 tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, water, and salt. Warning: this recipe is not for lazy people. If you are in a hurry or just want something quick, please don't try this. So the first step is to heat the oil and fry the meat with onion, half of the garlic, black pepper, ground ginger, and the thyme leaves. Then saute for 5 minutes or until the meat is brown. Now add the mint leaf, the parsley, the red bell pepper, and bouillon cube. Add 2 cups of water and let the meat cook for 20 minutes. Then add the tomatoes, onions, green onion, garlic, and tomato paste. Add a cup of water and cook for 15 minutes. Now add all the vegetables, the potatoes, carrots, and cabbage, and 2 cups of water with the bouillon cube. Then add 2 bay leaves and salt to your taste. Let the vegetable cook for 20 minutes or until everything is tender. Now remove the meat and the vegetable from the pot when they are well cooked and set aside. Add 3 cups of water and the rice that has been washed with 2 bay leaves and salt to your taste. Let the rice cook on very low heat until all the liquid is completely absorbed and the rice is cooked. You will need to turn the rice often so that all the sides are cooked. Serve the rice with the cooked vegetable and meat. Enjoy! And if you like this video, please don't forget to rate it. Have a nice day.